listen to me. She's not mad. She's just quiet. And you can feel it. The cold shoulder, right? The short answers, the silence. You lead, you provide, you protect. But suddenly your home feels like an enemy territory. Let's talk about why she's shutting down and how to lead her back into connection without begging for it, fixing, or fighting. This is one of the most frustrating experiences for high-performing men, especially when you're doing everything you can to build the life she said she wanted. But here's the truth no one tells you. Silence isn't always disrespect. Sometimes it's self-protection. It's ego-driven. We all have it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why she goes quiet, what it really means, and how value men handle it with confidence and emotional leadership. Download the free marriage ROI toolkit below for 5 practical tools to reconnect and refocus your relationship fast. Number 1, she doesn't feel heard, so she stops talking. It's like, you don't want to keep wasting your time if you feel the same way. If every conversation turns into advice or debate, can we say debate again? Or being dismissed, she'll choose silence over conflict. It's easier that way, but that doesn't mean it's better. This doesn't mean you're a bad man, not at all. It means you're leading with logic instead of connection. This is what creates intimacy and connection once you know how to be able to do it. So fix this with a simple phrase. I hear you, call her by her name or babe or sweetie, whatever. Is this something you want me to help with or just to listen to you? That question alone can melt that wall. She's testing for emotional safety without saying a word. High-value women need to know their men can handle the weight of their emotions without judgment or defense. So if she's gone quiet, she's testing. Can you stay present? Can you stay grounded? Can you create safety without demanding peace? Men who pass this test don't push her to talk. They invite her to open up by staying calm, steady, and curious. Want her to open up again without forcing it? Again, download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. It has 5 tools to help you rebuild connection and trust at home so you can lead with more clarity in your relationship and in your business. Number 3, the silent treatment is a symptom, not the problem. Her silence isn't the problem. It's pointing to something deeper. It's an invitation. It's an opportunity for you as the leader, as the man of the household. The deeper meaning is there's disconnection, resentment, misalignment. You must ask yourself, where did I stop listening? When did I last pursue her emotionally? And when you lead that conversation without ego, you'll see her soften up again. Listen to me, women, we adore a strong, emotionally stable men. That is exactly what we want. That is exactly what we need because we are very emotional, more emotional than men, right? So we need that stability, emotional stability coming from you so she feels safe, runs to you, falls into you, supports you, loves on you, respects you. It all comes down by having that incredible high-level skill that high-valuable men have. High-value men don't wait for their wives to beg for connection. They create it intentionally. If she's pulling away, it's not too late, not at all. Again, it's an opportunity. You just need a better strategy. So book a free call below for a custom roadmap for you, tailored for you to lead her heart, rebuild connection, and grow stronger together. Book a free call now. I'll see you on the other side.